Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can rank higher on Google Maps in 2021 to get more website traffic and get more phone calls for your business. I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to rank a brand new website, brand new business, #1 spot on Google My Business in very little work, just about a week's worth of work. So let's jump right in. If this is your first time here and you want more tips and tricks to grow your business online, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm here all the time for you. So the very first thing that you need to do is make sure on your listing that everything is filled out as much as possible. You have your categories filled out here. You have your services offered. You have a detailed description of what your company does. Make sure there's some keywords in there. Make sure that you're adding photos in here as well. Make sure that you have your services page completely filled out on here as well. One thing that I like to do is there's this amazing Google Chrome extension called GMB Spy. And what this is going to do is it's going to show you the categories that some of your competitors have done. So we can see some of the other businesses in here that are in the same niche. So this is wound care treatment. I'm going to click on this business. I'm going to click on the GMB Spy, and it shows me the categories that they use. Now I can copy these categories and I can add them onto my own listing. This is where these categories are going to go. So I did this on a couple listings, and I decided to go with these three category listings on mine. The next thing you need to do is make sure that you have a review strategy in place. Get some reviews on there as fast as you can, positive 5-star reviews. Ask your happy clients to get on there, maybe incentivize them a little bit, or ask them to write their honest feedback on what their experience was like and really encourage that feedback. The more reviews that you get, the more relevant reviews that have some of those target keywords in those reviews are going to help you increase your rankings on there. And then make sure that you respond to everyone because that shows that you're active on the platform, and whenever anybody else is searching for your industry in your business area and they see that you actually took the time to respond to some of these reviews, it's really reaffirming and creates that level of communication between the person who needs your help and the business owner. It's very essential. I also like to make sure that I'm actively posting on Google Business as well. Every time that we create a new service-based page for this website, I throw it up here on Google My Business page as a new post because I'm basically leveraging some of these target keywords that are related to the services that we offer. I'm tying my Google Business into my website, promoting some of these services so that when somebody searches for wound care in Orange County, they have a plethora of resources that they know that we are an expert in and can take and can help them with. So be frequent on here, post as much as possible. If you have events, what's new, add COVID-19 updates, all this stuff. Focus on getting a lot of positive 5-star reviews and be more active than your competitors, and you're gonna overtake their rankings. If you want more local SEO tips, click on this video right above me. It's going to be very beneficial to you. There's some great local strategies in there. I'll see you in that video.